Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WAN293 connection error on Valorant. This will be an easy fix, so follow me step by step and I'll guide you through it. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I'd recommend, and this error most likely pops up if you have a VPN currently turned on. So I'd recommend uninstalling the VPN or disabling the VPN for the moment, restart your PC, and try to launch the game, as sometimes they block Riot Vanguard, as it is Riot Vanguard is the anti-cheat for Valorant. So once done, go ahead and restart your PC and relaunch the game and it should be fixed. If the problem still persists, we have another solution. So go ahead and go to your keyboard, press Windows plus R, and type in services.msc right over here. Click on OK. Over here, scroll down until you see the section that says VGC. This is alphabetical, so this will be easy. So go ahead and scroll down, find VGC right over here, right click on it, click on properties, go to service type right over here, and then put it on automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Exit this out. Restart your PC. Once your PC restarted, go ahead and relaunch your game and your problem should be fixed. If the problem still persists, we have one less solution. So to do that, go on your start menu right over here, type in cmd, run as administrator, type in ipconfig space flush DNS, press enter, exit out, relaunch your game or restart your PC, relaunch your game, and it should be fixed. And if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.